Tired of the trading roller coaster and ready for a strategy that's actually beginner-friendly on Pocket Option? Let's dive into some simple tactics that might just work for you, but remember, no strategy is foolproof. First up, the classic trend-following approach. Identify the trend. Whether it's upwards or downwards, look for the general direction the price is going in on the chart, and then place trades accordingly. Use simple indicators like moving averages. Go to the Indicators tab and select Moving Average and set it at 20 if the price is generally above the moving average. Consider a call option if below a put. This is the first strategy. Next, we have support and resistance. These are price levels where the price has previously bounced. When the price approaches a support level, which is a low point on the chart, consider a call. When it hits a resistance level, which is a high point, consider a put. Draw lines to mark these zones. This is the second strategy. Be patient to wait for the price to approach these levels. Strategy number 3, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This measures the speed and change of price movements. When the RSI dips below 30, it signals an oversold condition, suggesting a potential call. Above 70 indicates overbought, hinting at a put. Find the RSI indicator and add it to your chart. Now, here's the crucial part: testing. Don't throw real money at these strategies right away. Use Pocket Options demo account to practice. Backtest these strategies to see how it works. Refine and adapt these strategies. With the demo account, it's important to note that these strategies have risks and use good risk management. Finally, track your trades. What worked, what didn't. Tweak your approach based on your observations. Remember, trading success is about continuous learning and adapting to the ever-changing market conditions. So, go ahead, experiment, and find what clicks for you.